Hello guys, welcome back. So, if your Dasher app is not making any sound for new orders or notifications, it can be a serious problem because you might miss delivery requests without even realizing it. This issue can be especially frustrating when everything else in the app seems to be working fine, but you're not hearing any alerts. In most cases, the problem is not with the app itself, but with device settings, notification permissions, or sound configurations. Even a small setting like silent mode or disabled notifications can stop alerts completely. Once you fix the right setting, your notifications should start working again instantly. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix the sound issue on your Dasher app, and try these. 1. Check that your phone is not on silent or vibrate mode. 2. Open phone settings and ensure app notifications are enabled. P3. Allow sound permissions specifically for the Dasher app. 4. Close and reopen the app to refresh it. 5. Update the Dasher app to the latest version. 6. Test notifications by waiting for a new order alert.